Heart sounds assessment. Heart sounds locations for the aortic, pulmonic, tricuspid, and mitral valves. The first heart sound is the lub, which is the closure of the atrioventricular valves and marks systole. The second heart sound is the dub, which is the closure of the semilunar valves and marks diastole and is longer than systole. The third heart sound occurs in early diastole just after S2 and is a low-pitched sound and is frequently described as Kentucky. The fourth is a low-intensity sound that, when heard, occurs before S1 in late diastole and is described as Tennessee. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I am Nurse Master Charlie.